milk is equal to 5:2. Or water and milk proportion is 5/2. So what is the 2/5? What is the amount of water and what is the amount of milk? So out of 50, you can write it in this way. Water is to milk is equal to 2/5. So water is equal to 2. Water by milk is equal to 2/5. So water is equal to how much? Out of 50, you can write in this also. So 10, 20. 20 liter is the water. Rest 30 liter is the milk. So this is called ratio. Means at 5:2:5 ratio, you have added the milk and water in the mixture. So out of 50 liters, water is to milk is 2:5. So what is the amount of water? 2:3. This will be 2:3. Okay, this is be 2:3. If we add them, it was mistake from my side. 2:3. So you have to add them out of 5. See, out of 5, 2:3 means 2:3. 2 is the water. So out of 5, the water is 2. So out of 50, how much is the water? This is the meaning. See, in the 50 liters of mixture, 2:5 is equal to water is to milk. So what is the amount of water? See, if 2:3,
20.
what is the
So
amount
we
of
have to
water?
add both of them, right?
You have
Yeah.
to add because you have to add because if you add them, it denotes 3/2. Yeah, so out of 3 it is 2. So if you see the ratio on it, you have to add them. You have to add them. Total is 5. Out of 5, this total mixture is 2 plus 3. Na? Out of 5, the water is 2. So out of 50, how much is the water? So it will give you 20 liter of water. Okay, so this is the ratio and proportion problem. Now a simple problem I am giving you. Find 20% of 720. Find 20% of 720. 20% means 20 by 100. We can write it as 20 by 100 also. 20 by 100. Okay. 20% means 20% of means multiplication of how much? 720. So multiply
44, Bhaiya.
720.
Is it 144, Bhaiya?
Yes, it is 144. So it will give you, see, 1020 cancel. So 2 into 72, 144 it will give you. Okay. Any issue? Any problem in this numerical? If not, then find out this one. What percentage of 400 is 20? What percentage of 400 is 20?
And
Very simple question. What percentage of 400 is 20?
5%.
5%. Suppose the percentage is a percent of 400 is equal to 20. That means a by 100 into 400 is equal to 20. Then it will give you how much? 0 cancel. So 4a is equal to 20. So a will give you 5. So 5% of 400 is 20. Is this clear to everyone? Okay, then the problem will solve. In a town, in a town, 96% of population is 23,040. Total population how much? You have to find the total population. In a town, 96% of the population is 23040. Options 32K, 24K, 50K, and 40K. In a town, 96% of total population is 23040. What is the answer? See, total population. Let assume total population equal to x or n, anything, n or p. So they have told you 96% of n is equal to 23040. Is it? This is what they have told you. So you have to find 96 by 100 into n equal to 23040. So you have to find the value of n equal to how much? 23040 into 100 by 96.
24K.
Hmm?
24,000.
24K. 24,000, yes. So it will give you 4 fours are 24 and 23040 divided by 4. It will give you almost 5760. So 24 is 576. 240. So 240 into 1000, so 24,000. Okay. Understood, na? Is it clear to you all? Okay. Then next another problem. In a class, 75% of total students are boys. Okay. And the number of little girls is equal to 420. Okay. Then what is the number of boys? Find the total number of boys. See, this is a problem proportion, ratio proportion. Perfect example. In a class of 70, in a class, 70% are boys, or in a school, 70% are boys. The number of girls are 420. To find the number of boys, answers are options are 1260, 1176, 1350, 1200.
1260.
Okay. Any other answers? See, very simple. 75%. If the total number is 100.
260.
1260. Okay. Total students is equal to 100. Or you can solve this problem without assuming 100 also. Because see, girls are 75. Girls, sorry, boys. And girls. See, if total number is 100, 75% are boys. 75% means in an average out of 100 people, 75 are boys. Then what is the number of girls? 25. Okay. If you see the ratio, it is 3:1. Am I right? If there is one girl, then there is 3 boys. Per one girl, there is 3 boys. Because see, the ratio is 75:25. It means 3:1. Now they have told you the girls are 420. Then what will be the number of boys? Obviously 3 times of 420. It will be 1260. Any doubt? Okay. Next, another problem we'll solve. The price of an item is increased by 20%. Then decreased by another 20%. First it increased by 20%, then decreased by 20%. You have to find out the final price as compared to the original price. How much? Options are 20% up, option 2, 20% down means less, 4% up, or 4% less. There was an item. First, the price was increased by 20%. Then again decreased by 20%. Okay. Then what will be the final price? And if you compare the price with the original price, that actually it was before the increasing of 20%. If you compare it with the original price, then is it higher or lower? If so, then how much? Is it 20% higher or 20% lower? Is it 4% higher or 4% lower? That is what they have asked you. They have an
4
item.
lower.
4?
Yeah, 4% lower.
D.
Lower. Okay, so you can solve it in 2 ways. There are 2-way method to solve this problem. Any other answers? Ushadi, how much?
Also got it as 4% lower.
4% lower. Okay, so there are two processes. Two procedures to solve this problem. First one is you can assume the actual price is 100. So in the first case, if it is 20, if 20% increases, then the price is how much? 100 plus
20.
20% of 100. So it will give you 120.
120.
Okay, now on 120, there is a reduction of another 20%.
20%.
Now 20% reduction, then the price will be 120 minus 120, 20% of 120. So it will give you how much? 120 minus 24, so 96. Now this is the final price. The original price was how much? 100. original price was 100. So out of 100 now it is 96. So there is a 4 rupees less. So out of 100 it is 4 rupees less now. That's why 4% less. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now for this kind of problem there is a formula, direct formula. Procedure number 2. Direct formula. Now if there is a successive increase and then there is a successive increase or decrease, anything, then the formula is common. The formula is, suppose there is first there is a x% increase or decrease, then again there is a y% increase or decrease. Okay, in that case, or there is x% increase, then y% decrease, or there is a x% decrease or y% increase, anything. In that case, the formula will be the net decrease will be, net change will be x plus y plus xy by 100. Okay, this is the formula. If there is a decrease, then you have to give a minus sign. If there is an increase, you have to give a plus sign. Suppose in this case, the first one is 20% increase. So 20% increase plus 20 plus, then there is a decrease of 20%. So minus 20. Okay, plus x into y means 20 into minus 20 by 100. So 20 minus 20, this will get cancelled, and you will be having minus 400 by 100. So only minus 4 will be left. So minus sign means there is a decrease. 4 is the answer. 4 is the decrease. If there is a plus sign, it would have indicated there is a increase. And if there is a minus sign, so there is a decrease. So net changes minus. So minus 4%. This is another method. Here. Any doubt in this problem?
No, sir.
Okay. Now do this one. A seller offers two successive discount of 20% and 30%. What is the net decrease? What is the net decrease in the price? So here's the seller has offered two successive discount of 20% and 30%. Discount means decrease or increase? Decrease. Then what is the net decrease in the price? How much? See, the formula is same, whether it is increase or decrease. X plus y plus xy by 100. Or you can do this by assuming 100 also, no problem. So here's
590,
the huh? How much?
594.
594. What is the net decrease in the
What are the options?
options?
Answer.
Are 44%
Okay, okay, okay.
decrease, 44%, then 50%, then 20%, 50, then 10%, then 30%, 35%. These are the options. Means
Decrease
successive discount is
44%.
given on a particular item. The shopkeeper has given you successive discount. First 20% discount. Then you have told the shopkeeper, give me more discount. Then it will be you that okay, I will give you 30% more discount. Okay. Now, what will be the net discount or net decrease in the price or net discount? See, the formula is same, na? X plus Y plus XY by 100. Now, yes, there is discount mean decreasing, na? So you have to give minus sign. First, he has given you how much? First 20, then 30. So minus 20, my plus minus 30 plus minus 20 minus 30 by 100. Okay. So it will be minus 20 minus 30 into plus this will give you how much? 600 by 100. This will remain 6. So minus 50 plus 6 minus 44. 44% discount he has given you. If the price is 100 rupees, you are getting it as 56 rupees basically. That is the meaning.
Yes, please.
Second procedure, if you consider it is 100, the original price, first he has given you 20% discount, so it will be 80. Okay, on 80 he has given you another 30% discount. 80 minus 30% of 80. See how much it is giving you. 80 minus 24. It also giving you 56. So what is the net change? It was 100 actually. Now you are getting at 56. So it is 44%.
44% discount.
Okay. You can use either procedure. Any procedure you can use, whichever you feel comfortable you can use. And another problem, suppose radius of a circle increased by 20%. By what percent does the area increase? You have to know the formula of circumference, then area of circle, square, and rectangle for your exam. They can ask you anything. So here we are dealing with circle. They have told you the radius.
Pi
Square is the formula for area of a circle. Pi square. Where R is the radius. If this is the circle, this is radius. So this is R. Then the area will be pi square. Now this R is increased by, suppose the radius is R. Okay. So the area will be pi square. Simple. Now after increasing by 20%. New radius equal to how much? R plus 20% of R.
20 by 100. 20.
So it will give you how much?
120 R by
120 R or 1.2 R? 5. So it will give 6 R by
6
5.
R.
Is it? Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it will give 1.2 R basically. Now what is the new area? Formula is same na? Pi R square. So pi into 1.2 R square. It will give you pi into how much? 1.44 R square. Now previously it was pi R square. Now it is 1.44 pi R square. So obviously there is a increase. There is increase how much? 1.44 pi R square minus pi R square. It will give you 0.44 pi R square. So there is an increase of 0.44 pi R square. Out of how much? The initial was pi R square. So out of pi R square, there is an increase of this one. So out of 100, how much? See, pi R square is get cancelled. So it will be 44%. 44% increase in the area. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Sir, what are the formulas we have to be ready?
I
Please
will share
say.
the
I will
formulas.
note it.
Are you talking about the formulas?
Rectangle, you said no? Triangle, rectangle.
Rectangle, triangle, square. I'll share the formula in the group. I'll post. Okay. Like for
Okay, sir.
square, it will be s square. If the side is a, because all the sides of the square are same, so it will be s square. The periphery will be 4a. Rectangle, it will be periphery will be 2 plus b. The area will be ab. Okay. For circle, it will be pi r square is the area, and the circumference will be 2 pi r. If they have asked you the circumference of this one of circle, it will be 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Okay. So like this. You have to remember the formulas for triangle, rectangle, square, and circle. So that if they ask you, you can just answer immediately. Okay. Another problem is this problem was asked, I think, in 2021. See, the price of petrol or sugar increased by 25%. The percentage of reduction, you have to find the percentage of reduction in sugar consumption so as not to increase the expenditure. Options are 20%, 25%, 30%, or 15%. The question is the price of sugar is increased by 25%. Means if previously if you purchase 1 kilo of sugar at rupees 100, Now you will purchase the sugar at 125 rupees. 1 kilo sugar at 125 rupees. That is the meaning. The price of sugar increased by 25%. If 1 kilo sugar was available at rupees 100 previously, now it is available at 125 rupees. Now the question is, you have decided that whether the price increases or decreases, I will keep my expenditure same. Means 100 rupees sugar I am 100 rupees I am spending on sugar, so I will keep my 100 rupees fixed for sugar consumption. Doesn't matter whether sugar price goes up, how much it goes up. So how much percentage reduction in sugar consumption you have to do so that your 100 rupees remains fixed, means your total expenditure doesn't get affected. Is it clear? Means you will not spend more than 100 rupees on sugar. So how much percentage reduction you have to do in sugar consumption to keep your expenditure on sugar fixed. This was asked in 2021. Assume price of sugar is 100 rupees. Okay, per kilo, per kg. Means 1 kg sugar you can get at rupees 100. This is before the increasing of price. Now after 25% increase, new price of sugar is how much? Is it 125?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it will give you 125 rupees. Rupees 125. Now see, previously 1 kilo, 1 kilo, 1 kg was 100 rupees. Now 1 kg is how much? 125 rupees. But you decided that I will keep my expenditure fixed. I will consume sugar of rupees 100 only. Okay, and but now in market it is available at 125. So what you can do? How much money have to be reduced? How much money have to be reduced? So obviously you will reduce the sugar equivalent to 25 rupees. 25 rupees you have to reduce, na? So 25 rupees, the amount of sugar that will be reduced is the equivalent of 25 rupees. So how out of 25, 125, you have to reduce 25 rupees. Now the new price is 125. If you reduce 25 rupees, then your amount will be fixed. Am I clear? You will go to the shop, simply say, okay, the sugar is 125 rupees, but you give me a sugar of 100 rupees only. So he will give you less sugar, which is equivalent to 25 rupees. So basically, out of 125 rupees, you are reducing 25 rupees. So out of 100 rupees, how much you are reducing? 20. So it will give you 20% reduction. Is it clear? That means previously, if you are getting 1 kilo of sugar at rupees 100, now you will get 800 gram sugar at the same price. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll solve some more problem. Today I will pose the questions because that time you have posed because fractions, ratio, proportion, percentage, these all are related. So today I will pose the questions. You try to solve. If you face any problem, we will solve this problem in the next class. Okay. Today we'll end the class here. Any doubt regarding today's class?